Coming up on today's Panther Beat, how you can create your own homecoming spirit wear.
Your Panther Beat starts right now.
Hey y'all, I'm Adriana.
And I'm Kayla, and this is your Panther Beat for Tuesday, September 25th.
The PSAT is on Wednesday, October 10th during periods 1 through 4 in the Panther Dome. Registration is open for sophomores, juniors, and non-OTHS students. You'll have until October 9th at 3 o'clock to hand in your $25. If you did not register for the SLU 1818 dual credit, stop by the guidance office to enroll. The deadline to register is September 30th. There is no late registration.
Homecoming week kicks off next Monday, October 1st with the Homecoming Bash. The event will be held from 5 to 7 p.m. outside the Panther Dome. And remember, classes, this is a prime opportunity to get your spirit points. Today is the last day to turn in your Panther Olympic forms. Forms are due by 3 p.m. to Miss Mirasinger in the district office or the main office at Milburn.
SIU and McKendree are here for an on-site admission on October 9th and 12th. Seniors who meet the minimum admission requirements for either are eligible to register. Pre-registration is required and available until October 5th. Stop by guidance to register. The upcoming general election is Tuesday, November 6, 2018. If you will be 18 years old by November 6, you are eligible to vote. If you're interested to vote, you need to be a registered voter first. The Young Conservatives and Democrats of America clubs are sponsoring a voter registration drive during all lunch periods on Thursday, September 27th. Please stop by the table in the cafeteria or the NPR if you would like to vote. You will need 2 forms of identification, one with a picture and another with your current mailing address.
Hey O'Fallon, do you want to show your school spirit but don't have the budget to go all out? Well, Miss Laura has the answer.
So I'm Mrs. Laura, and today I'm going to be telling you all about our Do-It-Yourself or DIY Spirit Wear Week, which is going to be running the entire week before homecoming. So every day, students will be able to come in during their lunch period to the IMC, either here at the Smiley campus or at the Milburn campus. They'll be able to make their own spirit wear using all kinds of materials that we will provide. And while they're making their spirit wear, they can also eat lunch in the IMC for the entire week leading up to homecoming.
Thanks, Miss Laura. Now let's pass it over to the sports desk.
What's up, O'Fallon? This is Ken back at it again, but with your sports. Our girls tennis team defeated Althoff Catholic over this weekend 7-2. Any girls interested in going out for basketball should attend an open gym every Tuesday at Milburn from 6 to 7:30. Conditioning is Wednesdays from 3 to 4:30. Today, our boys and girls golf teams compete in the Southwest Conference Tournament. Girls tennis travels to Edwardsville. Boys soccer play in the CYC tournament in St. Louis. And girls volleyball team hosts the Collinsville K-Hawks. Good luck to all our sports team. Now let's pass it over to Sophia with the birthdays.
Thanks, guys. And now for the birthdays. Birthdays for yesterday, September 24th, go out to Ariel Douglas, Giovanni Sains Jr., Nathan Schultz, Gerald Summers, and Roseanne Samalia. Birthdays for today are Beyonce Enriquez, Kaylee Grout, Aaron Kirkpatrick, Robert Sutton, Claire Sweet, Joshua Werner, Bymesia Blake, and Shauna Roberts. And a very special happy birthday goes out to Mr. Carter. That's all for me. Now let's pass it back.
And now for your club news. Philosophy Club meets tomorrow in room 901. No fees are required to join. Today is the last day to turn in applications to be an Endeavors editor. If you are a sophomore or a junior with strong writing skills, turn in your application to room 208.
NHS meets this Thursday before school at 7:30 a.m. or after school in the auditorium to discuss service. Opportunities to see Mrs. Maxwell or Mrs. Chape with questions. The speech and acting team meets this Thursday is canceled. Stop by to practice today or Friday instead. Any students interested in the team can stop by room 200.
GSA meets today in room 805 to make parade posters. Everyone is welcome. If you missed the FBLA meeting last week, pick up the information outside of room 109 or check the club webpage. Membership fees need to be turned in by Friday.
Animal Rescue Club meets tomorrow in room 102 to discuss animal vaccines. MLK Legacy Club meets today in room 305. See Coach Dent for details.
Come join the super awesome Interact Club. The first full meeting of the year is today in room 405. That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.
Bye y'all.